Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use this new Holland Guidance System. So as you can see right here, you can select new track. As you can see here, you can select curve, a circle, or everything like that. Here you will select A, then you will need to select B when you drive forward a little bit. And as you can see, your guidance system will be ready to use. And here you can select your land. So as you can see, you can select new and etc. Here you can force to one side or other side. Here you can select aggressive, and here you will be able to click auto and your guidance systems will be ready to use. So that's how you use your guidance system in New Holland.